Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create blurry and fade out transition effects to your edits on CapCut. So first you need to add your clips and then just go to the video effect. Opening and closing, and then select the vertical blur effect. Okay, this one, click on the check icon and place it at the start of each clip, starting from the second clip. Okay, like this. Copy it and place it for the next clip. And after that, go to the video effects again. Still on the opening and closing, now select the halo blur effect. Okay, this one. Now make it shorter than the first effect and place it the same at the start of each clip. Now click on all the effects, go to object and make sure that the effects apply for all videos. Okay, after you do that, click on the second clip, go to animations and add the fade out animation. Okay, do this for the rest of the clips. And after that, you are done, and here is the final result. Okay everyone, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.